The New England region takes in the higher altitudes of northern New South Wales. One of the most common birds in the region is the Australian magpie. In this region, it has a black back, unlike the white back in southern parts of Australia. In open eucalypt forests, woodlands and wooded areas, you are likely to see the grey butcherbird. They sit quietly, watching to take prey from nearby foliage and the ground. The pied butcherbird is also found in wooded areas of the region. It has a beautiful clear call. Magpie-Lark or peewee build a mud nest on a horizontal branch near water. The male has a black face and white eyebrow, while the female has the white face. Brown quail are found in taller vegetation in damp, swampy wetland areas. They often forage on tracks and beside roads in the morning and late evening. If you are lucky, you might spot a spotted quail-thrush. They are usually found in forested areas where there are some rocky regions and fallen trees. Australian pipit can often be seen dashing around chasing insects in grasslands. The common blackbird is commonly found in gardens in the region. It has a beautiful call. The female is brownish while the male is jet black. White-winged chough are gregarious birds found in open forests and woodlands, especially where there is moist leaf litter. They love digging up the mulch in your garden. They build a large mud nest, and most members of the group help with breeding. In the northeast of the New England region, Teresian crow are found in a variety of habitats. The base of crow's feathers is white. The Australian raven is found in a variety of habitats across the region. The last note of their call is usually very drawn out. The throat hackle feathers are much longer than that of a crow. Pied currawong are common throughout the region. They are usually seen in small flocks. They eat insects, small vertebrates, fruit, as well as the eggs and young of smaller birds. Yellow-tailed black-cockatoo eat the seeds of banksia, eucalypts, hakea, grevillea, and pines. They also gouge holes in tree trunks to extract larvae of moths. Small flocks of sulphur-crested cockatoos are also common to the region. They usually feed on the ground, but do eat a wide variety of food. Large flocks of little corella are found in the region. They eat bulbs, corms, and skilled grass. The galah is one of the most common birds of the region. They feed on the ground, on grass seed, tubers and insect larvae. The Australian king parrot is found in wet eucalypt forests, farmland and town gardens. They eat seeds from the trees and from the ground. Swift parrots breed in eastern Tasmania. They migrate to the New England in autumn and winter, where they feed on flowering box ironbark. Their numbers have decreased significantly in the last few decades due to loss of habitat. In the northwest of the New England region, you might be lucky to spot a red-winged parrot. They usually feed in trees on seeds, fruit and insects. Red-rumped parrots are found in parklands and grassy woodlands. They are commonly seen on sports fields and golf courses. They feed on the ground, eating grass seeds, weeds and herbs. The turquoise parrot is found in open forests and grassy woodlands in the west of the New England region. They also feed on grass seeds and herbs. The eastern rosella is a very pretty bird found in woodlands, parks and gardens across the region. The crimson rosella is usually found in forested areas at higher altitudes of the New England region. They commonly eat grass seeds and fruit. Scaly-breasted lorikeets are found in eucalypt forest and woodlands in the eastern regions of the New England. They are also found in grevilleas, banksias and melaleuca. The little lorikeets feed on eucalypt and banksia blossoms high in the canopy. They are often quite difficult to locate. Rainbow lorikeets are found in forests and woodlands and gardens across the New England. They're usually not in large flocks like you see at the coast. Musk lorikeets are usually found in eucalypt blossoms in open forests and farmland. They also enjoy the blossoms of callistemon and silky oak. Each spring, the dollar bird migrates to the New England from Indonesia and New Guinea. They are usually found in open forests and woodlands, especially where there are hollows in trees. Rainbow bee-eaters nest in sandy burrows near water. They perch on bare limbs and fly out to catch insects. They visit the New England in spring and summer. Asia kingfishers perch near water. They plunge dive for fish and other prey. This one seems to have bitten off more than it can chew. The sacred kingfisher is commonly found in open woodlands, especially near rivers. They prey on invertebrates, lizards and fish. The laughing kookaburra is a large kingfisher found in open woodlands and sclerophyll forests. They prey on invertebrates, reptiles, small mammals and some birds. Small flocks of red-browed finch are commonly seen in the New England. They feed on the ground for grass seeds. Another finch commonly seen in small flocks in a wide variety of habitats across the New England is the double-barbed finch. Grassland and open woodland near water is a good place to search for plum-headed finch. Sometimes large flocks can be found. Another attractive bird of the New England region is the diamond firetail. They are found in drier forests and open grassy woodlands. Another beautiful bird of the New England region is the spotted pardalote. They forage from leaves and nest in sandy burrows in the ground. In smooth-barked eucalypts, the three-note call of the striated pardalote is commonly heard. The spotted pardalote call has only two notes. White-throated gerygony are found in open eucalypt forests and woodlands. They have a beautiful call and a very intricate nest.